Hey guys, welcome to Teach Me Math. Today we're going to be talking about how to use the quadratic formula on a quadratic equation to find the roots of that equation, right? So, using the quadratic formula, we have to start off with the quadratic equation equal to 0. So, in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the standard form and it has to be equal to 0. And the quadratic formula is x is equal to, where x is the root, negative b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Right? So this is the a here, b here, c here. All you have to do is just plug it in. And if you'll notice that there's a plus and there's a minus here, because you're going to get two different roots for a quadratic equation, right? Because usually what happens is if there's a parabola, there's two possible x values for a given y. So one will be a plus and one will be a minus. So let's look at an example and see how it works out. So I'm going to use x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. And I'm going to use my quadratic formula to figure out what my x values are going to be, what my roots are. Another way is what the solution of the equation is. Right, so I like to just write it out easy peasy. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, right, because this is a plus bx and it's a minus 3, so b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to a negative 4. So just plug it into the equation. X is equal to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 3 squared minus 4, 1, negative 4. Oh, and this is all over 2 times 1. Right? So let's see how that works out. It's going to be equal to negative times negative is going to be a positive 3 plus or minus the square root of 9. So minus 3 times minus 3 minus negative 4 times negative 4 times 1 is going to be a positive 16. This is all over 2 times 1 is 2. And now this is where we have to split it up, right? So, well, this is going to be equal to a 25. And the square root of a 25 is 5. Right? So it's going to be 3 plus or minus 5 over 2. So we're going to get two roots. X is equal to 3 plus 5, which is an 8 over 2, is equal to a 4, or x is equal to a 3 minus 5, which is a negative 2 over 2, which is equal to a negative 1. And those are my two possible solutions for x. So x is equal to 4 or x is equal to a negative 1. So meaning that this form in this graph here, x could either be minus 1 or x is equal to 4. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.